When your car makes loud noises during acceleration, identifying the source is crucial for proper repair. These noises typically originate from either the engine or exhaust system. Engine-related noises are often the most serious, indicating potential internal damage that requires immediate attention. Worn engine bearings produce a deep knocking sound that gets worse as RPM increases. This indicates critical metal-on-metal contact and can lead to complete engine failure if not addressed immediately. Carbon knock creates a metallic pinging sound, especially under acceleration. This happens when fuel ignites prematurely due to carbon deposits or using low-octane fuel in high-compression engines. Valve train problems create a distinctive ticking or tapping sound that changes with engine speed. This is commonly caused by worn lifters or incorrect valve clearances. Exhaust system problems are more common and typically less expensive to repair, but they can still significantly impact vehicle performance and legal compliance. Exhaust leaks create different sounds depending on location. Header leaks near the engine produce high-pitched sounds, while muffler leaks create deep rumbling noises. A failing catalytic converter produces rattling sounds during acceleration as internal components break down. This also reduces engine performance and increases emissions. Muffler deterioration occurs when internal baffles are damaged, resulting in loud, unfiltered exhaust noise that loses its sound dampening properties. Modern diagnostic tools use artificial intelligence to analyze engine and exhaust sounds. Mobile apps with machine learning can identify specific problems through audio analysis, providing greater precision than traditional methods. Accurate diagnosis is the first step to effective repair. Understanding these noise sources helps you communicate clearly with mechanics and make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance. Once you've identified the source of acceleration noise, specific repair solutions can address each problem effectively. Modern technology has also introduced innovative approaches to these traditional automotive issues. Engine-related noise problems require targeted solutions based on the specific component failure. These repairs range from simple adjustments to major overhauls. Engine bearing failure requires immediate attention. The damaged bearings must be completely replaced, often necessitating a full engine rebuild. While costly, this repair prevents catastrophic engine failure. Carbon knock can be addressed through fuel quality improvements and cleaning services. Higher octane fuel prevents pre-ignition, while professional carbon cleaning removes deposits that cause knocking, especially important in modern direct injection engines. Valve train noise often requires precision adjustments or component replacement. Proper valve clearances eliminate ticking sounds, while worn lifters and stretched timing chains need replacement to restore quiet operation. Exhaust system repairs focus on sealing leaks and replacing damaged components. These fixes are often more straightforward than engine repairs, but equally important for noise control. Exhaust leaks can often be repaired through welding for small holes or section replacement for larger damage. These repairs are relatively affordable and immediately reduce noise levels. Failed catalytic converters typically require replacement, though some cleaning services can restore function in certain cases. This is a significant expense, but necessary for both noise control and emissions compliance. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing automotive noise repair. From 3D printed components to active noise cancellation, modern solutions offer new possibilities for both repair shops and vehicle owners. 3D printing technology now enables custom exhaust components for older or rare vehicles. These precisely manufactured parts offer perfect fit and performance while being cost-effective for hard-to-find components. Smart muffler systems use active noise cancellation, similar to noise-canceling headphones. These systems analyze exhaust sound waves and generate opposing waves to significantly reduce noise levels in real time. The right to repair movement is expanding access to professional diagnostic tools and repair information. Mobile diagnostic services and smartphone-based tools now enable more effective do-it-yourself repairs, especially for exhaust system issues. Remember that early detection and proper diagnosis are crucial for cost-effective repairs. While engine problems typically require professional service, many exhaust issues can be addressed by skilled, do it yourself mechanics. Modern diagnostic tools and repair technologies continue to make automotive noise problems more manageable than ever before.